Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off align to baseline grids in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your InDesign software. Then open your document. Now I am already open my document. Now in this document are turn on align to baseline grid. Now I am turn off this. They firstly select your text box or text, then go to the Windows menu and go to the type of table, then click paragraph. Now you can see here are my paragraph panel. Then sorry, go to the Windows menu, type of table, paragraph. Now my this is the paragraph panel. Now is already turn on align to baseline grid. Now I'm turn off. Then you can see here are align to baseline grids is turn on. Then this click this do not align to baseline grid. You can turn off align to baseline grids another way. Now firstly select your document, then go to the properties panel, then scroll down and you can see here are the paragraph panel, then click this. Now you can see turn off align to baseline grid in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.